That is super cool. But you know what is even better? A sunny car spotting session in Sant'Agata Bolognese. And the first one should be a Urus SE. Oh yes, purple Urus SE! That was nice! Wait for it! A little bit of zigzag going on. Not bad and also kinda loud. Here another Urus SE. And a friendly driver. Let's go! First hybrid V12 of the day. Hey, nice. Oh, wait! Nice! What a crazy combo this was! Let's see, what do we have here? What? A Murcielago? How cool! And not any Murcielago! It's the LP650, one of my favorite ones! And also one of only 50 ever made! Oh my god! Hey! It's too fast! Hey, we have something else coming in! That should be a Temerario. Hey! And a beautiful Verde Mantis spec with matching calipers. Wow, Verde Scandal Urus SE! Wow, yet another bold combo! She's back! Oh yeah! That is definitely a Temerario. Oh yes! Hey! Another Urus. Oh hell yeah, another Temerario! Urus SE on Italian plates. Very standard. Hey, Temerario time once again! Oh, wow! Purple spec on the Temerario! Let's go! Yo, verde scandal Urus! That is such a cool color for a sports car. Is there another Revuelto? Yes! Okay, not bad at all. No way, another Revuelto! Wait, that is a very interesting spec. I like it. Temerario incoming? Oh, yeah, I was pretty sure. Urus SE? Hey! Love the Verde Mantis spec! There goes another Revuelto. What the fuck just happened? Wait a moment, is that a purple Revuelto? Oh wow, she's so beautiful. But wait! Ah, green Temerario! I can't believe it, another great combo! Loud one incoming! Yes, and what an amazing spec! Wait, didn't we already see this Revuelto? Or at least it was a very similar one, it should be a test mule. Finally, Temerario Alleggerita! Looks like we have another Temerario! Nice! And what a cool spec for the Temerario Alleggerita! Never seen anything like that! That is a Revuelto! Come on, there is no way! What the hell is going on today with the great specs? Black and yellow, not that bad. Listen. Another red Urus SE. This one was right-hand drive, and also it seems a bit louder. There is an interesting test mule, but way too quiet in full electric mode, come on! Wow, yet another Temerario sound check! Aha, Urus SE, the matte one. Nice, very nice. A yellow Temerario. Guys, that's a loud one. Ehi, yellow Temerario! Yeah, the beautiful Alleggerita! It's pretty cool, yeah. And there it is, another Temerario.